Several hospitals and healthcare groups across north central Wisconsin are either opening COVID-19 testing labs or plan to open them soon, aiming to cut down the time between the actual test and the results. But local health system leaders believe there is still a long way to go before they can really ramp up the amount of testing. Newswatch 12's Dan Hagan explains.
Marshfield Clinic announced it is now performing in-house COVID-19 testing. Just last week, nasal swab specimens had to be sent all the way down to Madison or Milwaukee, with results not getting back until at least a week later. But the turnaround at Marshfield Clinic, according to Dr. Jennifer Meese, is just 1 day, and the lab is capable of handling hundreds of tests. However, Dr. Meese said Marshfield is not ready yet for high-volume testing. That's because there's a shortage of necessary equipment and materials.
It's pretty clear that there aren't enough of those anywhere. So when we say we have high throughput capacity for testing reagents, we might, but we also have to have matched, collection material and PPE to protect the people. All of those things have to align in order to be able to have high volume testing.
The nationwide supply for PPE, reagents, and tests is low. Meanwhile, the demand is high.
We're one of 50 states and everybody's vying for these precious resources. So we're still in a world right now where everybody is not being tested. There's just not enough of everything to go around.
Today, Aspirus CEO Matthew Haywood said Marshfield is not alone in its shortages.
We all have the same shortages. Some people may have it in different ways. Some people are maybe overcoming it better than others, but we all have the same challenge. And if there ever was a surplus, we would help whoever needed it, but nobody has a surplus right now.
Haywood said Aspirus is sending tests to Marshfield Clinic and will open its own COVID-19 testing lab soon. He believes increased testing capacity should be one of Wisconsin's top priorities, saying more testing is crucial to slowing the spread.
Right now, a lot of people could have it and don't even know they have it. And so social distancing is the only way to mitigate it, by saying, please, just don't travel. And that's our only way now until we can get the testing a little tighter. So I think we are on the path as a country, hopefully.
In north central Wisconsin, Dan Hagan, Newswatch 12.
Also today, Ascension Medical Group announced they are adding drive-through testing sites in Tomahawk and Woodruff to go along with their Rhinelander, Crandon, and Plover locations. Like those first 3 sites, all individuals who want to be tested must first either be pre-screened by appointment or through online care.